Good morning. I'm on an adventure. I'm out and about today. I'm going to show you how people are doing online learning in their homes. Okay, I'm on remote location and I'm going to show you a really cool classroom. My friend teaches second grade and she turned her basement into her classroom. I'm going to flip it around and show you. Entranceway to Miss Reed's classroom. Miss Reed set her second grade classroom up in her basement. Her son made the desk out of wood for her. To the right in the back is her cart from Michael's. And the 3 bulletin boards are actually made from better than paper. The one in the center is used as a whiteboard, and there are 3M strips so her walls do not get destroyed. Of course, it's not magnetic, but it works. Kathleen tells me she got this at Target. So this is her little dry erase. And look at that, it comes right off. Alrighty, it works. And a whole roll of this, I think, was like 15 bucks.
I don't know any other.
Okay, I just wanted to show you a little bit more. So this is how she has all of her stuff because she teaches second grade. She has her stuff about the weather, her number chart, her calendar, solving math problems. So she has like her little anchor charts up there. She has this whole cute thing about figure me out. This is me, and then you have to do the math problems. Like you can figure out her age. You can figure out her shoe size. My house number, isn't that cute? Her birthday. Isn't that the cutest? It's like a get to know me. Good idea. At Jamie's house, the girls are full remote all year. Okay, so we have the girls housed in the peacock room. And they each, we color coordinated blue and pink. Lexi has the pink stuff. The pretty pink cart that we got at Michael's for $29.99. They only had it in this berry color. And Jamie put their name on it with the Cricut, and they have all their things in here. These are the bags that hang their schedule and their work. I'll link everything below where she got everything. And this cart was very easy to put together. And then she has a caddy filled with all their things for them, and a place to put their books. She has matching mouse, and she even has earbuds. And then down there is all of Abby Rose's. Here's Abby Rose's. And with this cart, you can also, and there's the bag that you put the stuff in. You can also put a lid on top. That's what this is. You can buy the accessory. I have it too. And she has the same exact things over here. And then we have these desks that are desks aren't here yet, but they will be here soon. They're on back order, and I'll insert a picture so you can see what that looks like. The desks are actually called Student Interactive Learning Centers, and they are by POTBY, P-O-T-B-Y, and can be found on Amazon. They're adjustable. They're amazing, and they come in all kinds of colors. So this is how we learn from home in our household. And behind me is my little space in my office, which is jammed with everything else, but I carved out a spot and I wanted it to be similar to what my classroom looks like and my Bitmoji classroom looks like. So I do have some things that I could no longer have in my classroom here. So I'll spin around and I'll show you. Here it is. I sit there. There's my chair. Here's my little table. And at this table in the center, I will have my computers, but they're not there right now. And that is my spot. My beautiful wreath my sister had made for me. And then, of course, this chair comes from Pier 1. And the table is from Target. And my books and all my little gadgets here. And that's that. Okay, thank you for tuning in. You have a good night. Bye.